So normally what happens is if the buyer is driving the survey, they would put us in touch with the estate agent. We would make the arrangements for access. We don't normally need access to the property itself, it's all external, so we would make the appointment to attend site. Once we're on site, then the process is working through the whole drainage system from start to finish. As I say, that takes typically about an hour. Once we've got all the information from site, we then produce the report and submit that.